Duct tape, known for its strong adhesive properties, isn't just for fixing leaks or patching up broken items. In fact, it has a myriad of unconventional uses that might surprise you. Beyond its traditional role in home repairs, duct tape can serve as a versatile tool in various situations. Emergency bandage. In the absence of a band-aid, duct tape can be used to cover small cuts or blisters effectively. Removing pet hair. Wrap duct tape around your hand with the sticky side out to easily pick up pet hair from furniture and clothing. Opening stubborn jars. Wrap duct tape around the lid for a better grip, making it easier to twist open stubborn jars. Clothesline. When camping or traveling, use duct tape to create a makeshift clothesline for drying clothes. Temporary hem. If your pants are too long, fold and tape them up with duct tape for a temporary hem. Repairing screens. Patch up small holes in window screens or tents with duct tape to keep bugs out. Labeling. Write on duct tape with a permanent marker to create durable and waterproof labels for containers or cables. DIY fly trap. Create a simple fly trap by hanging strips of duct tape with a sticky side exposed. Blister prevention. Apply duct tape to areas prone to blisters before hiking or running to prevent friction. Car emergency. In a pinch, duct tape can temporarily fix minor car issues such as loose mirrors or broken hoses. These creative uses demonstrate the ingenuity and versatility of duct tape beyond its traditional role as a repair tool.